Hello, I'm Randy Mansfield with the Continental Tool Group. I'd like to introduce to you the UT8724T-20. It is a Boeing certified precision die grinder with a threaded spindle for specialized use. Its 0.45 horsepower oil-free motor prevents stall when using 2 and 3-inch sanding disc, and it also runs at 20,000 RPM. With a threaded 1/4-20 spindle for limited access applications and a variable throttle valve for precise speed control, this tool is purpose-built for aerospace. Heavy-duty spiral bevel gears provide strong performance with extended life. Lightweight at 1.2 pounds and 6.5 inches long, the UT8724T-20 is ideal for continuous precision grinding in aerospace and high-end fabrication.